Assalamu alaikum students. Today the civilization that we are going to study is about the Nile Valley civilization or in ancient Egypt. The ancient Egypt civilization grew up because of the famous river Nile. The rich mud left each year by the annual flood turned the dry Nile Valley plains into the fertile farmland. Villages and towns grew up becoming centers for trade. The Nile River Valley is one of the oldest river valley. The Nile Valley civilization started at the time the Neolithic Revolution. It started at the most northern peak of the Nile. Egypt was united under one central government. Egyptians believed the king or pharaoh was a god. The government was strictly centralized and controlled the resources of the state. Like the Sumerians, the ancient Egyptians were very religious. They believed in gods and built temples as home for them. You can see the pictures of god and goddess. Life of the people was very simple. Their houses were made up out of mud. Rooms were very brightly painted, sometimes with birds, flowers, or with the figures of protective gods. Cooking was often done outside over a fire. Poor people ate bread, cheese, beans, and salad. Adults ate their food sitting on simple stools. They also ate beef, pork, antelope, meat as well as goose, pigeon, and fish from the Nile. Most farming families are fairly simple food. Women of an ancient Egypt were as a mother and a wife. They could also rule the country. Egyptian women could have their own business and properties. Egypt treated its women better than any of the other major civilizations of the ancient world. Now here you can see the arrangement of the social caste. Pharaoh and the royal family sits at the top, viziers and priests after them, scribes and noblemen then they have a craftsmen and dancers. Laborers and prisoners were the largest group and the poor one. They have advancement in the language and writing as well. The ancient Egyptians used three kinds of writings to write religious and secular text: hieroglyphs, hieratic, and demotic. Hieroglyphs writing use clearly distinguishable pictures to express both sounds and ideas, whereas hieratic more cursive and quick hand drawing signs used for religious and secular text. Demotic was used in administrative and private text. New symbols of characters formed that marked a shift away from hieroglyphics. Here you can see the style of hieroglyphic writing. Egyptian had a burial process that is called mummification. Mummification process that preserves the body of the dead for entering into the afterlife. He was buried in a tomb designed to protect his body forever. This tomb was called a pyramid. The theory behind the tomb was that if a pharaoh's body were destroyed, his soul would have nowhere to go and would die. If he died, he would not be able to be united with the sun. This in turn would cause the gods to become angry, and they would no longer protect the land or people of the Pharaoh. At least this was what the pyramid started out to be. They soon became not only a final resting place but a symbol of power as well. Here you can see the picture of Great Pyramid of Giza. The Egyptian pyramids are ancient pyramid shaped masonry structure. There are 138 pyramids discovered in Egypt. The earliest known Egyptian pyramids are found at Saqqara, northwest of Memphis. The most famous Egyptian pyramids are those found at Giza, on the outskirts of Cairo. Several of the Giza pyramids are counted among the largest structure ever built. The Pyramid of Khufu at Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It is the only one of the seven wonders of the ancient world still in existence. Egyptians were the first to survey land after flooding season, which required a form of geometry. They had a 365-day calendar, 12 months of 30 days, each with 5 days left over. They had 3 seasons: flooding season, planting season, and harvesting season. That's all for today. Thank you.